So first, we have to explain why that happens in first place. Our bodies have two main ways of operating, two modes. First being survival mode. In this mode, body focus only on preserving and prolonging itself. Good example of survival mode is when we are sick. When we are sick, our body doesn't focus on reproduction, so we have no urges to reproduce, and that is because body is in survival mode. Other mode is seek and reproduce mode. In this mode, body is focused on seeking food, reproduction, and to pass genes onto the next generation. That is because main goal of our cells and body is to reproduce. So when our body is in survival mode, that means that something is wrong in body and testosterone will not be the priority. So when we have no morning food, problem is usually toxicity in the body. When we drink tap water, for example, which is rich in all bullshits like chlorine, fluoride, even lead in some places, results in more toxicity in the body. And if liver doesn't process that toxicity and that toxicity doesn't leave the body, it accumulates in our blood, and end result is blood becomes more toxic and eventually body enters survival mode. So in this case you can stop drinking tap water and you will be fine, or you can increase liver's capacity for toxins. Liver when operates releases all toxins that has been eliminated into gallbladder, which is located under it. So when gallbladder is full, it usually orders our body to do natural laxation process. In other words, it urges you to take a shit. So when gallbladder doesn't empty itself and it is full of toxins, liver can't operate and put more toxins into gallbladder, more eliminated toxins, and end result with time is no wood. In order to improve gallbladder function, you can drink whey, which is byproduct of milk. Whey will tell your gallbladder to urge your body to take a shit, and in couple of days, maybe even hours, you will release all the toxins in Mother Nature. Best way to drink whey is to drink it constantly until your morning wood returns. So that can be a couple of days. So first start slowly because you will have diarrhea-like cases a lot. You should expect to take a shit anywhere from half an hour to a couple of hours. Have a spare bathroom. You're aware. Other way of resolving this problem is to take more antioxidants. Antioxidants will do the elimination of toxins from the blood, and end result will be the same, except there will be probably less shitting involved. The one we recommend is nuts. Nuts is supplement rich in amino acids that are important for production of most powerful produced in liver antioxidant, which is called glutamine. Except in supplement form, that amino acids can be obtained from food like meat, eggs, and milk, and in some other food, but in minor amount. No morning wood can be also cured with drinking more water because fluids are necessary for eliminating toxins from our body. So bonus tip, toxins from the body can also be eliminated throughout skin by sweating. So in summertime that's easy. You just go outside and you sweat like maniac. But in winter time, best way to do it is by sauna. So in conclusion, if you eliminate toxins from the body and or help liver out, you will have morning wood back maybe instantly, in worst case in couple of days. So try out some methods from this list and comment down below if this was helpful. Till we meet again, stay strong and think with your head.